Okay, I'm at the Goodwill. It's called Puyallup Annex here in Puyallup. Used to be the old movie theater, but you've got a whiskey saloon and you got a Goodwill in this huge parking lot. It does not include the road that goes out in front of the parking lot. Okay, it's everything inside the curbs. Seal coat, striping, curb repair, and crack fill for MK Properties. All right, staging areas, I mean, it's huge. There's obviously an opening and closing here. I think it's like 8 o'clock, and then the whiskey saloon's not till the afternoon. So we don't have to worry much about the saloon. That could be seal coated in the morning, and then everybody can park somewhere else. But I would do this in 2 phases. Big lot. I would say power washing. There's a day of power washing for all the curbs. There's a lot of extensive cleaning. There's a lot of grass in the cracks in various areas. You've got areas like this where there's tree root damage. So that's gonna be fun to seal coat over. But you gotta clean all this stuff out. Our wire broom, the snuffy and all of that. Definitely all of that stuff will need to be brought out here. These light pole bases, we want to include painting them. So you're gonna have to power wash the light pole bases. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. There's actually 5 of them that I see that we'd have to clean. This is, see if I can keep the wind from blowing us around. So there's our parameter for our boundaries for seal coating. All right. Crack fill that's in here. There is roughly, I'd say about 2,500 feet of crack fill in here. 2,500 feet of crack fill. You've got 400 parking stalls, 18 feet. You've got 8 ADAs. Cross hatching, there's 250 feet. It's a weird 5 I put there, but 250 feet of cross hatch and 1,500 lineal feet of yellow painted curb. And then you got to add the 5 light pole bases to paint yellow. All right, as far as curb repair goes, I'm not going to do a bid on curb repair because I do not think they're going to want to do this. Because if they do, we've got to do asphalt repairs on a lot of these islands, and I'm going to bring that up to the customer. All right, the boundary line there is at the trees. It goes behind the building. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the back side of the property. It's not too bad. You got a trailer from Goodwill, and you got a couple here. We would have to seal coat inside the fenced area here as well. But, you know, there's a lot of debris in there, so you're going to need to power wash around the buildings in some of these spots in order to clean them. And we'll have to work around some of the potholes are out here, but they do not want to do asphalt repairs at this time. Okay, so any questions, let me know, but I definitely think this is probably 2 days of seal coating. You probably have more than 1 day of crack filling too. There's quite a bit, just because of cleaning, getting it cleaned out and whatnot. That's it. Any other questions, let me know.